So there are two aspects you need to consider when trading on a budget. Firstly, it's the learning side of things. Typically, you'll need to pay for a high quality education. We'll get into that shortly. And secondly, you need to think about how you're going to scale your small trading account into an account that's big enough to actually earn you a living. Again, we'll dive into your options shortly. So, learning to trade Forex is a minefield in and of itself. With the education part of this industry being so unregulated, sometimes it can be very tough to discern whether your mentor has something of value to offer or he's just a failing Forex trader trying to make a quick buck before he gives up on the industry. With that being said, I would strongly suggest against spending big money on courses right away. Here's why. First of all the absolute basics that you're gonna learn about Forex are available online for free. If you're paying for that information, you're throwing your money down the garbage chute. The second option is that you might quit trading pretty soon, as most people do. And for those reasons, I would recommend you start with the low-cost strategy of first learning the free basics of the industry, of how Forex trading works, of the terminology, of everything you need to know, and only once you're a bit proficient can look for a mentor and look for somebody experienced to give you that next step. One of our favorite resources here at Lux for the absolute beginners and people who don't really know anything about Forex is Baby Pips. They have a bunch of information on the absolute basics that you can read through. And secondly, I would recommend that you scroll through the videos on our YouTube channel. I myself go over a lot of the basics, a lot of how to think about trading, how to think about risk management, what to do, what not to do. I think you're going to be able to learn a lot of the basic information just here from our YouTube channel. And all the content here is absolutely free. And only once you have that base covered, you have those fundamental information, I would recommend that you move on and find a suitable mentor for yourself. If you'd like to check it out, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. If you feel like you're at that stage, we do have the Elite Traders package with mentors, so you might be interested, check that out. Assuming that you have the education and skill part of your process worked out, now we're gonna need to think about the money side. So you're gonna need some capital to be able to play in the markets. Luckily, there are a few options that you can explore as a starting trader to get you that trading capital. In all honesty, it's a known fact that 90% of new traders lose 90% of their capital within the first 90 days. Therefore, limiting your initial exposure isn't a bad idea. Those traders coming into the Forex market with $10,000 or $20,000 tend to lose them pretty quickly. The first and the most obvious choice in trading when you're trading on a budget is trading on a demo account. They are typically free and offered by most brokers in the industry. We also offer a 7-day free trial that has a demo account, so if you'd like to check that out, once again, link is down in the description. This account will mirror live market conditions in real time so that you can get used to how the trading platforms work and get a bit of sense for how the trading game actually works. The point of these is to sharpen your trading skills before ever entering into the live market, with your emotions making things just that bit harder. I'd highly recommend that every trader puts at least 3 to 6 months at first into a demo account. I'm assuring you that you're not wasting your time trading on a demo account first and learning how to do things properly before you risk your own money. At the end of the day, most traders do not make a penny in the first 3 to 6 months. If you're coming into the Forex market with a budget, so you don't have a lot of money to spend, online prop firms are a great resource for traders like you. They're a great idea if you're looking to rapidly scale the amount of trading capital you have available. In short, prop firms fund traders with real money accounts in exchange for part of the profits, meaning that a prop firm is looking for talented traders to trade their money and then earn part of the profits that they split with the trader. For instance, we offer traders anywhere from $25,000 up to $10 million to trade. Once the funded trader withdraws their profits, we split the money with 75% going to the trader and us taking a 25% cut. A win-win situation, I would say. You might think that it costs a lot of money to jump on board with a prop trading firm, but it actually doesn't. This is by far one of the best options if you're limited on funds. For example, instead of putting your $500 into a broker account and trying to scale up that into a $10 million account, you can get a prop firm account worth upwards of $100,000. Then you simply trade profitably and you earn your profit split. If you're interested in becoming a funded trader yourself, check the link in the description. It's gonna take you right to our website. The last option you have at your disposal is to find investors to back your trading account. This is by far the riskiest option and the hardest to pull off. I'd even dare to say almost impossible for a beginner. You're very unlikely to find a high net worth individual that's gonna entrust you with their money and back your trading account with just a few months of experience. That is something that you're gonna need a verified track record for and probably years of experience before you're able to ever get an investor to fund you directly. And even if you were able to do that, you'd have to sort out the contracts and the legal hassle, something that you don't have to worry about when trading for a prop firm. It's more than possible to start trading Forex when you're on a budget, and I would even recommend it. Utilize the free resources to learn the basics, then get a funded account with a mentor, and you have a great strategy for maximizing your potential profits in the Forex market. All that without needing to remortgage your house for a good account balance. If you're interested in working with us, the links are down in the description below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe. If you're interested in a community of like-minded traders, I'm gonna leave a link to our Discord channel down in the description below. Make sure you check it out and have some talks with our traders. Thank you for watching. My name is Ben Oliver, and I'll see you in the next one.